Okay. I hope you can hear it. It's very faint right now. We'll stop it. I'll put my hand on the tire to put it under some pressure as if I'm riding it, and it should be louder. That was a little bit louder. The wheel is tight, the bolts are tight. The wheel has no wobble to it or looseness to it. The wheel is centered in the frame, and I tried adjusting the derailleur and it doesn't make any difference. I don't know what it is, but it's very annoying. And it's kind of loud when I'm driving it. So I hope this helps. Thank you.